use those handles. Go to slide all the way down. All the way down to the very people on the dock. Are never going to see it. Not like you've ever seen this before either, so I doubt you care. Hey, welcome aboard the world's famous juggle. Now, my name's Tim McConnor. I'm going to be your captain for, as far as we make it. Anyway, brief reminder from the Jumbo Navigation Company for your safety. Remain fully seated, keeping your hands on key and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, watch your children. Children, watch your parents. Now, without further ado, my friends, let's continue on with the tour. If you look on the right-hand side of the boat, my friends, you will see the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. It is here, the great Dr. Indiana Jones is currently looking for the world's greatest treasure. Now, why he's looking in there, though, I'm not entirely sure, as I am clearly right here. Yeah. Indeed, my friends, but now as we look at now, that's no Chinese tiger. Right. Oh, by the way, do watch out. See my head. You have ginger over on the left. Ginger snaps. Well, I told you ginger snaps, and she is what pop cooking. Yes, it's a crummy joke. And we're going to continue on our way, though. This, my friends, is the sacred bathing pool of the Indian elephants. Take a look around. I've never seen this many elephants in one place. You know this release on the 3rd of... Indeed, over here in front of us, we're looking at a prime example of what happens if you take too long in the shower. That's right, you turn into an elephant. I wouldn't know. I don't shower. That's what they tell me. You know, and he's a squirt buddy down. Down squirt, we talked about this. Okay, see, he's letting us pass. What a gentleman. I was wrong. Everyone, Doc, I'm not kidding. I'm kidding, look at it. I'm just kidding. Could you imagine that? I've never leave anything with any danger, really. Oh, an explosion! Let's get closer. How am I going to go on here? Looks like we're going to come over on this end. Battery running. Now we're never going to get the engine and turn over. Let's continue on our way. But you know, if you take a moment, you look over there on the left-hand side of the road, you are going to see, that's right, there's absolutely nothing there. I know, it's fascinating, really. Luckily, incredible. That is the lovely Schweitzer Falls, named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company and renowned explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Excuse my name, don't be long to go over later. I get 30 years old. Let me tell you something about the river. Here he goes on for Niles. Niles. And of course, you don't believe me. Well, that would mean you're still in denial. That's right, we're lucky with African bull elephant. Now, did you know African bull elephants have incredible memory? They can remember things for up to 40 years. I wish I could remember an African bull elephant. On the right-hand side, of course, we have an African bull elephant. Now, did you know African bull elephants have incredible memory? They can remember things for up to 40 years. I wish I could remember an African bull elephant. But now I we find ourselves entering the African belt. Up ahead as we look at this, we have some zebra, and there's some bison over there. Can anyone tell me what the big ones in the back are called? Just say it out loud. That's right, those are trees. Over here in front of us, though, look at that. A pride of lions looking over a sleeping zebra. And I mean, wow, that zebra looks dead tired. We're gonna let that one rest. Anyway, what's going on? It's not going to be the place. Felix, what are you doing outside your boat? I am so sorry to see that they won't have Felix. You know it's his first day. And by the looks of things, probably his last, too. Oh dear. Oh dear! Right over there. Isn't that just incredible? Now then, oh no. Well, I bet it appears I made a wrong turn somewhere. It's just ended up in a pool at the bottom right now. These vehicles in particular, I'll make sure we stay seated, have sank 6 of our boats this week. Of course, don't be alarmed, only 5 of those boats were mine. Anyway, let's get to the video we're talking about. I need you all to cover your ears, because I hear them a lot. Okay, I believe I did the trick. Now, don't be alarmed, I'm not going to injure any of those rounds. Much like my own mind, no am I. Blank. Oh, you know, really, some people have been telling me my job is so easy that a monkey could do it. But now, I can finally say the joke's on them because that skipper is clearly an angel. I tell you, but it's a long tail. Really. So you know, we're just going to continue on our way up ahead. Now look at that. Looks like some apes have gotten into the entomological supplies. Now what entomological supplies are, I'm not entirely sure. And that is going to bug me for the rest of the trip. But now, come on, we'll be all the way toward the incredible. The wonder, the glory, the everything, the liberty, introducing to all of you the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. People chant the longest time? That never happens. How incredible. Now I did hear H2O. It's not H2O when it's the backside of water, my friends. Now, don't try to find it at home. You're going to hit your head on the sink faucet. Don't ask me how I know that. Anyway, we're going to take a bit of a break up ahead over here. They tell me the fish here always biting. This has to be an incredible fishing spot. Anyone bring any fishing supplies? No, me neither. Maybe next time. Then up ahead, though, see that snake over there on the other side of the river? Now that, my friends, is a python. You know it's a python because it's exactly 3.14159265 meters long. But you know, my friends, there's no journey through the world-famous jungle for Lula that can without first to stop at the incredible Trader Sam's gift shop. You see that elephant over there on the left now? Her name's Ellie, and Ellie is an African bull elephant. Now, fun fact for you all. Did you know African bull elephants have incredible memory? They can remember things for up to 40 years. I wish I had the memory of an African bull elephant. Well, now, my friends, as we begin our journey back to civilization for your safety, remain fully seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, legs, ears, elbows, and everything else inside the boat until we come to a pull. And then now, my friends, if you enjoy today's expedition, my name is Skipper Connor, and of course, if you did not enjoy today's expedition, my name is Skipper Felix. Anyway, here's our time together coming to an end. So before you go, I have one last story for you all. See, my friends, before I came to the Jungle Navigation Company, I once had a career as a professional amateur magician. So on my brief spiritual side, one last trick in a moment, I'm going to make you disappear. Are you ready? Yes. Get out of my dog. Sorry, that is so asleep. Get out of my way.